Thanks for making it this far. By now you already know how BeGuest works and you're becoming a true expert on the platform. In this video, I'll show you on how to manage notifications and create an email template. Let's get started. Email templates in BeGuest are a key for sending platform notifications such as account confirmations, password resets, event invitations, documents or service links to send out. You can also customize notifications both at the event level and per guest group. For example, you might have a general email template in English for all groups and a specific template in a Spanish or a particular group. To create a template, go to General Content or Email Template Customization with a specific event. Give the template a name, save it, and you'll be able to take it to the editor where you can start designing the content. Click on Elements to see the different content blocks you can add to your template, such as text, images, or buttons. First, add an image. Choose an image from the media library. Here you can upload your header image and reuse it across different event notifications. Then add a text. Drag a text block into your template and write your message. To personalize it even more, click Insert Field to add the guest's name. You can insert both main guest data and any custom form fields. This is especially useful if you want to send personal emails, like showing each guest a specific itinerary. For example, to insert a recipient's name, go to Insert Field, Main Field, Name. This way, each email will be automatically personalized for every recipient. Buttons are great for call to actions or CTAs. For example, you could add a button that says click here to register. Explore different types of buttons available. In this case, we'll select a call to action button. Managing notifications. Once your template is created, save it, preview it, and assign it to the corresponding event notification. To do that, go to Event, Customization, and then Notifications. Then assign your template and a subject to Guest Invitation. And that is it for this video. Now it is turn to explore the different types of notifications you can personalize in your event. Remember that in addition to these essential series, you can also check out our in-depth BeGuest videos, where we explore the full capabilities of the platform. Thanks for being part of the BeGuest family. See you in the next video.